How to run an installation/heat test on an LG dryer. Issues with an LG dryer's performance, including not heating, long dry times, or certain operation errors, can often be resolved without a technician. This troubleshooting video will cover both electric and gas dryers. If you are troubleshooting issues with your LG dryer's performance and you do not see a code message on the dryer's display, then you should perform an installation test, also known as a heat test. Before you begin, let the unit cool down if it has recently been used and empty the drum, including clothes and the drying rack. There are two methods to activate a heat test. The first is by using the signal button. Turn the dryer off, then press and hold the temp control and signal buttons simultaneously. While holding them down, press power until code IN5 appears. The second method uses the damp dry button. With the dryer turned off, press and hold the temp control and damp dry buttons simultaneously. While holding them down, press power until code IN5 appears. If neither of these methods works, check the owner's manual. To start the heat test, press the Start/Pause button. The test will take about 3 minutes. During this time, check for an error code on the display and keep an eye on the flow sense indicator. If methods 1 and 2 fail, try this timed dry method. Power the dryer on and set the cycle to time dry. Then use the temp control button to select the highest heat. Press the Start/Pause button and let the unit run for 1 minute. Do you see a display code message? Is the flow sense indicator lit? Now open the dryer and feel the inside of the drum. Does the drum feel warm or cold? If you now see a display code, please refer to our troubleshooting display codes video linked in the description. If the drum is warm, please refer to our energy saver mode video linked in the description. If the drum feels cold, then the unit may require repair service. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.